Namaskaram. Today I will be teaching Aigiri Nandini in the Punnagavaradi set to Chatursheka Tala. This is a Devi Stotram written by Sri Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya in 7th century itself. Today I will show you the fingering and gamakas. Hope this will be helpful for you. Please watch my video. The violin is tuned to D sharp pitch. Let's look at the fingering. Punnagavaradi. Punnagavaradi is the janya of Hanumatodi. Hanumatodi. Is a gamaka oriented ragam Hanumatodi. This Aigiri Nandini is in Punnagavaradi. Punnagavaradi is a janya of Hanumatodi. The Arohana Avarohana Punnagavaradi, it will be like this. So this is a gamaka oriented ragas. The Todi is without gamaka we cannot proceed. So same way this Punnagavaradi also, but luckily this song, the Aigiri Nandini, it's a very straightforward raga, one bow, one swara, and then it will be kids can easily play. Okay, I will show the fingering. You can see the script in the description box. Also I am displaying on the screen for your reference. You can have a look. Sani sani. Did I come? Re, re, re. One time you can play like this because it's a loop song. The swaras will be repeating. So I will play in the higher octave also. One bow, one swara. See the gamaka? I will show in the normal octave. Reza, Sarisa. You can take here also. I'm touching the two strings, which gives a different effect. See? Sarisa. That's also possible because since it's a loop song, you will be repeating many times. You can give some difference for us. Okay. Some variation. Just doing some gimmicks. Sarisa. Normal sa and high sa. Normal sa, high sa. Okay. All these Todi phrases, okay? Hope this video is helpful for you. I've done very simple gamakas. It's a very simple song, so it will be repeating. The swaras will be repeating. Lyrics will be keep changing. That's how it works. It's a Devi Stotram. Some unknown composer that tuned into Punnagavaradi Ragam and Talam. So they are composed in the Ragam and globally it is well popularized. Okay, so please practice, and I have kept the karaoke music also in the end of the screen, end of this video. Please practice along with that. Make sure it is in D sharp pitch, and hope your instrument also in the D sharp pitch. Make sure that and practice along with that and send it to me for corrections. Thank you so much.